Hello guys, welcome to the 27th session of Create Custom Alexa Skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will use ConfirmSlot Directive. ConfirmSlot is used to add confirmation for slot value. In previous session, we have created a new intent for obtaining person name, country name, and friends count. In this session, I will go to modify it such that it will ask for confirmation for friends count. Open Add User Preference Intent. Edit dialog for count slot. Let us enable confirmation for the slot. Here we need to add text that will be asked for the user for confirmation. Right, you want to visit count friends, right? Save model. Open JSON editor. Scroll down to dialog property. For count slot, you can see the confirmation required is true, and it contains confirmation prompt ID. Scroll down to end. Here, new prompt is added for confirmation of count. Build model. Let us switch to VS Code to update Lambda. Add one more else block here. If confirmation status of count slot is none, then we will prompt with the message you want to visit countSlot.value friends, right? And use add confirm slot directive method of the response builder to generate response. Like elicit in confirm slot, we need to pass slot name for which we will add confirm directive. When user denies confirmation, then confirmation status will be denied. In that situation, we need to ask the user to utter that value again. For this, I will use elicit slot directive. Let us create else block for that. When confirmation status is denied, then ask the user for, can you please tell me again about how many friends you want to visit country name slot value? And use add elicit slot directive method to retrieve value again. Save the file and deploy Lambda function. Let us test it in echo dot. Alexa, open the third demo.
Welcome to third demo skill.
My name is Megan and I want to visit Vietnam with my 3 friends.
You want to visit 3 friends, right?
No.
Can you please tell me again about how many friends you want to visit Vietnam?
2.
You want to visit 2 friends, right?
Yeah.
Your name is Megan. You want to visit Vietnam with 2 other.
Let us see what we have learned in this session. The confirm slot directive is used to provide confirmation for slot value. Here is an example that we have created. When confirmation status is none, we have used add confirm slot directive for confirmation. When user denies confirmation, we will ask for new value using elicit slot directive. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.